Hello everyone, myself Chandni Vasi from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In previous lecture, we learned conversion of data to a linear form. First method, fitting of the curve of type y equals to a x raised to b. Now we learn the second method, fitting of the curve of type y equals to a b raised to x. For that, let y equals to a b raised to x to the set of n points. Now take log to the base 10 on both the sides. We get log y to the base 10 equals to log a b raised to x to the base 10. In this method we use log to the base 10, so I call only log. Now we know the law of logarithm. Log of a into b is log a plus log b. So here log a into b raised to x is log a plus log b raised to x. Now also we know that log a raised to x is x log a. So we apply here. So log y as it is, log a as it is plus x log b. Now take log y equals to capital Y, log a equals to capital A, log b equals to capital B, and small x equals to capital X. So we have equation capital Y equals to a plus bx. This equation is a linear equation in form y and x, and we estimate the value of a and b. So the normal equations for y equals to a plus bx are summation y equals to na plus b summation x and summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. These two are the equations, normal equations of y equals to a plus bx. Now we solve both these equations and find the value of a and b. Now using this capital A and B, we find small a and small b. So here small a equals to anti-log of capital A because we have capital A equals to log small a to the base 10. So a equals to anti-log of capital A. And same way small b equals to anti-log of capital B because capital B equals to log small b to the base 10. So b equals to anti-log of capital B. Now the example of fit a curve y equals to a b raised to x to the following data. Data is given, value of x is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Value of y is 144, 172.8, 207.4, 248.8, 298.5. Now we have given a curve y equals to a b raised to x. Take log on both sides. So take log to the base 10, log y equals to log a plus x log b. Now we take capital Y equals to log small y, capital A equals to log small a, capital X equals to x, and capital B equals to log small b. Therefore we have equation y equals to a plus bx, which is a straight line, and the normal equations are summation y equals to na plus b summation x, summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square. Now we solve the normal equation and find summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square. For that we make a table of the values of x and y. Also here given the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 data, so value of n equals to 5. Now we make a table. So first value of x, value of y. So value of x is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and corresponding values of y. Now we know that capital Y equals to log small y to the base 10. So in calculator we find first value log. Calculator we use log key, because here given to the base 10. If given log to the base e, we use ln x. So first value log 144, which gives 2.1584. Same way log 172.8, it gives 2.2375. Log 207.4 is 2.3168. Log 248.8 is 2.3959. Log 298.5 is 2.4749. Same way we multiply x into y. So 2 into 2.1584 is 4.3168. Next 3 into 2.2375 is 6.7125. 4 into 2.3168 is 9.2672. 5 into 2.3959 is 11.9795 and 6 into 2.4749 is 14.8494. And we square x square. So value of x is here. So x square is 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25 and 6 square 36. Now sum of x is add all the 5 values, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is 20. Also summation y, adding all the 5 values we get 11.5835. Summation xy, adding all the 5 values we get 47.1254. And sum of x square is 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 is 90. Now we put all these values in our normal equation. So normal equations become first value summation y. Summation y is here 11.5835. So 11.5835 equals to value of n is 5. So 5a plus b summation x is 20. So 20b. Same way summation xy. Summation xy is 47.1254 equals to a summation x. So summation x is 20. So 20a plus b summation x square. So summation x square is 19. So 19b. So we have two equations, equation 1 and 2. Now solving these two equations, we get the value of capital A and capital B. Now using elimination method, so that we have in equation 1 5a, in equation 2 20a. So we multiply first equation by 4. So multiply equation 1 by 4 minus equation 2. We get 11.5835 multiply 4 is 46.334. 5 into 4 20a plus 20 into 4 80b. And equation 2 remains as it is. Equation 1 minus 2. So minus minus minus. So 20a minus 20a cancel out. And 46.334 minus 47.1254 is minus 0.7914. And 80b minus 90b is minus 10b. So we have our capital B equals to 0.07914. So we get capital B equals to 0.07914. Now we find the value of A from equation 1. We put in equation 1 value of B. So we have 5A equals to 11.5835 minus 20 into 0.7914, which is the value of B. So 5A equals to 10.00078. So A equals to 2.0002. Now we have the value of capital A and capital B. From both the value we find small a and small b. So small a equals to antilog of capital A and small b equals to antilog of capital B. Therefore we have antilog of 2.0002. In calculator we use log plus shift. Capital A, value of A is 2.0002. So which gives A equals to 100.069 and value of B is antilog of 0.07914, which is 1.1998. Therefore the curve is y equals to A b raised to x. So put the value. A is 100.069 and B is 1.1998. So 100.069 into 1.1998 raised to x. So our final curve is this one. In next lecture we learn about the curve y equals to A e raised to bs. Thank you.